Hey guys, welcome back. In our previous videos, we have checked on how we can access dictionary items. In this video, we'll try to understand how we can change dictionary items. So now when I'm talking about changing dictionary item in Python, it refers to modifying the values associated with specific keys, yeah, within the dictionary. This can involve updating existing value of a key, adding a new key value pair altogether, or removing a key value pair from a dictionary. Now, dictionaries are mutable, meaning the contents can be modified after they are created. So you need to remember that. So there are various ways in which you can change dictionary items. Is the first one that we are going that we look through is how we can modify dictionary values. So what we are checking right now is modifying dictionary values. Yeah. So modifying values in Python dictionary refers to changing the value associated with a key. Yes. To achieve this, you can directly assign a new value to that key. Yeah. Let's see an example so you can understand. So what I can do is, uh, yes. So I have this dictionary, which is A has the value as 1, B has the value as 2, and C has the value as 3. I'm printing my original dictionary, which is 1, 2, 3. Next, what I'm trying to do is I'm directly assigning a value which is 4. That means I'm changing the value of A to 4, which was earlier 1. Let's see what is the output. Yeah, we can see here the value of A has been changed from 1 to 4. So this way, by directly assigning a value to a particular key, we can change the contents of a particular key. Now, suppose you want to update multiple dictionary values. Yeah. So let me again put this multiple dictionary values. Now, what happens is if you need to update multiple values in a dictionary at once, you can use the update method. We have seen this method earlier. Now, this method is used to update a dictionary with elements from another dictionary or an iterable of key value pairs. The update method adds key value pairs from provided dictionary or iterable to the original dictionary, overwriting any existing keys with the new values if they already exist within the original dictionary. Yeah. So if a particular key value pair is not available within the dictionary or the key is not available within the dictionary, it will create a new or it will add a new item. Yeah. If the key is already present, then it will override the existing key. Yeah. Let's see an example of update method by which you will be able to understand what happens. So what I'm doing is we know we have this dictionary A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing two things here. I am updating A with 4. Yeah. So this is already present. And I'm creating a new one that D equals to 5. Yeah. So A is present, D is not present within the previous dictionary. So let's see what is the output after updating the existing dictionary with multiple values. So here you can see that my original dictionary was A, B, and C, which had the values as 1, 2, and 3. When I updated it with the new dictionary, which had the A has 4 and D as 5, it has overwritten the previous A value from 1 to 4. Since D was not available in my previous dictionary, it has added it at the end of the dictionary. Yeah. So it has done an upsert operation, that is update as well as insert operation within the dictionary. This is how you can have multiple values being inserted within the dictionary. Yeah. We can also have conditional modification within the dictionary. How we can do that? Just let me conditional dictionary modification. Yeah. So conditional modification in Python dictionary refers to change the value associated to a key only if a certain condition is met. Now, in this, you can use if statement to check whether a certain condition is true before modifying the value. Yeah. So let's see quickly an example of how I can change it based on my condition. Uh, Let me think of an example. So modify value based on condition. Yeah. So I have this dictionary A1, B2, and C3. This is what we'll be using every time. What I'm doing is using if condition. If A in my dict, if A is available, and if say if A, I'll rather my dict, the value of A, if it is equals to 1, yeah, then I want to change it to 4 and I'll print the new dictionary. So what I'm doing here is I'm checking whether my A value is 1, which is actually there, and I'm changing it to 4 only if the value is 1. Yeah, can see this? Since A for the key A, the value is 1, hence it has changed it to 4. Suppose it was not 1, it was 5, then it would have kept it as it is. You can see this. But since the value was 1, it changed it to 4, since the if condition was getting executed. So this is how you can use conditional modification of a dictionary as well based on certain condition that you want to that you may use during your data analysis. Yeah. We can also modify dictionary by adding key value pairs. Okay. How we can modify dictionary using key value pairs. Yeah. Now, adding new key value pairs to a Python dictionary refers to inserting a new key along with its corresponding value into the dictionary. Now, what happens is by using this method, you will be able to dynamically expand the data stored in the dictionary by including additional information to it. Yeah. So it is most used for dynamic updation, and there are various ways in which you can do this. Yeah. You can use an assigning operator. So modification of dictionary using assignment operator. Yeah. We have seen this is equal to 4. This was the example. Yes. So if I'm using D, which is not available, I'm assigning a value 4, which will add a new value to this particular dictionary. So let's see. Yeah. So a new value D is equal to 4 is being added. Yeah. So using a key value pair, you can use set default method as well. Using set default method. Yeah. We have seen this method in detail. If you want to check, you can check the methods which are available. So what I can do is I have this dictionary which is available. I'm printing my original dictionary. Then I'm saying my dict.set default D, comma 4. Since this is not available, yeah, when you use set default method to add a new key value pair to a dictionary, if the key does not already exist, yeah, it will add it. Yeah. But if the key already exists, then it will modify the value itself. Yeah. But let's see an example with adding a new value. So D4, which is not available in my dictionary, original dictionary. Let's see whether it gets added. Yes. So the output is the same as we have seen through a assignment operator. So guys, there are various ways in which you can do a particular operations. I'm just giving you a lot of options by which you can do the same thing, getting more output. But you need to check the efficiency of the code when you're using all these things. Yeah. Uh, we can again modify the dictionary using or removing key value pairs. So modifying dictionary, we have seen conditional dictionary modification. We have seen using key value pairs, using, I'll say, key or by removing key value pairs. Yeah. Now, when I'm saying removing key value pairs from a Python D refers to deleting specific keys, which will modify the dictionary. Yeah. Along with their corresponding values. Yes. Now, this again has various methods by which you can do it. I can do it using the del statement. So I can do this using the del statement or method. Yeah. So I have this key value again, the same example that I'm trying to keep the example same, which is available so that you do not get confused with different methods or different examples. You can always relate those examples with each other so that you can find how the output gets changed in when you're using different methods towards a particular example. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do here is using the del method. I'm trying to delete A. Let's see what is the output here. So del method, I'm removing this particular del method is used to specify a key which would get deleted if it is available within the dictionary. Yeah. Or using the pop method, using pop method. Yeah. So you can use pop method to remove a specific key value pair. Yeah. Now suppose I have this key A1, B2, and C3. But I want to remove the key, which is A1. Yeah. But what pop does is it will give you the value which is associated with A. Yeah. Here, yeah, this particular method will give you, if I try to get the pop value, I'm just trying to I'm showing the value as well, pop value. Yeah. So let's see the dictionary. So this is the dictionary, and the value which was associated with the popped item was 1. Yeah. So I deleted the key A. Yeah. Which we can see the new dictionary, which is BNC, because A has been popped out of this particular dictionary. But we can get the value associated with that key using the this particular method. So it always returns a value of that particular key which has been deleted. That you need to understand while using pop method. We can also have a pop item method, which we have seen earlier as well. If you want to see the detailed method or explanation on these methods, you can always refer my earlier videos, which will help you to through all these methods. Yeah. So we are using pop item. You can use pop item method as well to remove the last key value pair. So what we'll do is, since we do not specify any key here we do not specify any key which has to be deleted. It will remove the last available key value pair which is there in the. I'll just remove this. Yeah. See this? So my new dictionary is A and B, wherein it by default it has deleted the last key value pair which is available in this dictionary. Yeah. So these are various ways in which you can modify a dictionary, update dictionary, or change certain values within the dictionary. Yeah, there are various methods. There are various ways in which you want to think about a particular uh, operations to be done within the Python on dictionaries. Yeah. So I try to show maximum of them, which I have used in my career. Yeah. Which will help you out to understand the basic concepts behind updating or changing a dictionary. Hope you like this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Uh, do comment on my content or the examples that have been shown in this video, which will help others also to gain knowledge. Yeah, because this entire channel is free of cost, and the entire motive behind this channel is to share knowledge, which will help our colleagues to uh, improve or learn something new. Yeah. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such free videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.